Hello students, my name is Rasika Saste. I am working as an assistant professor in IT department of AISSMS IOIT Pune. So our today's topic is linear regression in machine learning. So there are two main types of machine learning algorithms are present, that is supervised machine learning algorithm and unsupervised machine learning algorithm. So this linear regression is the type of supervised learning. So it is a statistical learning method or tool to analyze relationship between one dependent variable and one or more independent variable. The value of dependent variables depends on the values of independent variables. So it is used to predict the quantitative value of dependent variable. So linear regression tries to find out the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable in terms of linear equation. So we can see the different examples of linear regression line equations. So linear equation is an equation which exponent of any term is either 0 or 1 and it should not contain product division of any two terms. So these are few examples: y is equal to a plus bx, y is equal to a plus bx1 plus cx2 plus dx3, then y is equal to a, y is equal to bx. So these are all equations of linear regression. So linear regression is said to be simple. There are two types of linear regression present: simple linear regression and multiple linear regression, or we can call this type of regression as univariate linear regression and multivariate linear regression. So we will see one by one. So we can say the linear regression is simple if dependent variable value depends on only one independent variable, means there is only one dependent variable and one independent variable present. So the relationship between dependent and independent variable can be given as y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x. So linear regression equation is linear in beta 0 beta 1 whose power is 1. So linear regression is said to be multiple linear regression if dependent variable depends on more than one independent variables. So we will see in detail simple linear regression. The simple linear regression model is the model in which a single independent variable or regressor variable, say x, has linear relationship with a single dependent or response variable. Regression analysis is the statistical tool in which identifies the linear relationship between the single independent and single dependent variable. So we will see this simple linear regression concept in detail. So generally relationship between dependent and independent variable model is y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus epsilon, where y is actual value of response variable, x is an value of independent variable, beta 0 and beta 1 are constant, and epsilon is the random error component. So we will see one example of simple linear regression. So the global warming may be reducing average snowfall in your town, and you are asked to predict how much snow you think will fall this year. So looking at the following table, you might guess somewhere around 10 or 20 inches. That's good guess, but you could make a better guess by using the regression. Means in this table, just observe the table. In table we can see year and amount of the snowfall in inches. So we can see in 2005 the amount of snowfall is 30, 2006 27, 2007 25, 2008 21, and 2009 19. So by observing this table we can conclude that the amount of snowfall is decreasing year to year. So if anyone asks what will be the snowfall in 2010, then we can easily predict it will be between 10 and 20 inches. So thank you.